Okay जी, can everybody आवाज आ रही है जी?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we were just discussing the thing that during the saturation region, the resistance which is being offered by the transistor is almost zero. So therefore, the transistor will be behaving as a short circuited switch. And during the cutoff region, the R cutoff will be equal to VCE cutoff divided by the IC cutoff, right? IC cutoff. Now, as IC cutoff is very close to negligible value, so this means IC is almost equal to 0. So when IC is almost equal to 0, so this means this is equal to infinity, right? And which is more or less equal to infinity. When this is more or less equal to infinity, so this means the resistance which is being offered by the transistor at the cutoff is actually working as an open switch. So this means the transistor actually, when the resistance is varying between the saturation and cutoff, or the transistor is switching between the cutoff region and the saturation region, so this means the transistor is changing its behavior from a closed switch to an open switch, right? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Right? So this means the transistor can actually work as a switch which can be used in electronics circuits. So this means if it is moving from saturation to cutoff region, this means it will be behaving as a switching circuit as well. So transistor can actually provide the amplification as well as it can be used for switching between devices, right? ठीक है जी. So with this
Yes, sir.
you have assignment, and the assignments are starting from, just let me write it down for you. The assignment starts from example 4.6. Example 4.16. Then we have 4.17. Then we have 4.18,
18, 19,
4.19, 4.20, right? Then
4.22,
we have 4.22 and 4.23, 4.23, and then we have
24,
4 and 25,
and 4:30.
4.24 and 4.25, and then we have, you can, okay, and then 4.30, right? And you can also check it 4.31, 4.30 and 4.31, right? So these all are basically included in the assignment which will be after midterm. ठीक है जी. And with this we managed to finish this chapter. Next time we will be starting with the AC analysis, right? So hope so after Eid we will have a class on Tuesday as usual. ठीक है जी?
सर कमिंग ट्यूसडे को क्लास होगी?
जी coming Tuesday को class होगी क्योंकि we have limited time. Anyway,
Yes, sir.
the Eid will be over by Monday, so we can start
Yes, sir.
class on Tuesday. ठीक है जी?
Yes,
So
yes, sir.
everybody अख्तर मुबारक शे ठीक शे और चिसोक कुर्बानी
Thank you,
की
sir.
आयम मुबारक शे और चिसोक ने की आयम मुबारक शे